Taping machines, die bonders, and sorting machines are all core precision production equipment in optoelectronic cleanrooms. The prior workshop employs distributed air supply with standalone oil-free pumps. Chronic problems include loud noise, sweltering workshop, short-lived small pumps, and high power usage. To address the above issues, we switched to a centralized intelligent air supply system to optimize operating conditions from the source, improving overall product quality and cutting costs. Replacing distributed small vacuum pumps with a centralized Wordfik VD series system achieves 30 energy savings and 70 lower maintenance costs versus decentralized solutions. The centralized equipment layout eliminates noise pollution at its source, while overcoming the issue of continuous heat dissipation from distributed pumps and preventing excessive workshop temperatures caused by equipment-generated heat. The system is equipped with intelligent variable frequency technology, enabling unattended operation. Featuring a 3-duty, 1-standby redundant design, the system supplies air on demand and eliminates unnecessary energy consumption caused by equipment idling. Gas piping is installed inside ceiling plenums, complying with cleanroom precision production specifications. Wordfik centralized vacuum system upgrade integrates low noise, constant temperature, low failure rate, and high energy efficiency. Intelligent equipment upgrade facilitates lean production, energy conservation, and stable high-yield operation of optoelectronic workshops, sustaining high-quality corporate development. Wordfik Vacuum, your partner in vacuum solutions.